So the Parliament's winter session got off to a stormy start this morning. Disruptions dominated both houses of Parliament. Prime Minister Narendra Modi set the tone. He urged members of Parliament to focus on delivery, not drama. He insisted Parliament is for policy, not theatrics. He warned that shouting slogans and venting their frustration election after election defeat will not solve anything. He called for a meaningful debate to address issues of the people. The opposition hit right back. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra insisting raising issues is not drama, accused the government of using disruption to block discussion on issues like the special intensive revision of the voter list. So with tensions very high, the big question remains, will this session of Parliament be about debate or more drama?
प्रश्न काल प्रश्न नंबर 1
Parliament witnessed a stormy start to the winter session. Ahead of the session, Prime Minister Narendra Modi urged MPs to engage in meaningful discussions instead of indulging in drama.
ड्रामा करने के लिए जगह बहुत होती है, जिसको करना है करते रहें। यहाँ ड्रामा नहीं, डिलीवरी होनी चाहिए। नारे के लिए भी जितने नारे बुलवाने हैं वो पूरा देश खाली पड़ा है। जहां पराजित होकर के आए वहां बोल चुके हो, जहां अभी पराजय के लिए जाने वाले हो वहां भी बोल दीजिए, लेकिन यहां तो नारे नहीं, नीति पर बल देना चाहिए और वो आपकी नीयत होनी चाहिए।
The Prime Minister's remark, a clear jibe on the opposition, triggered a storm. Within minutes, the Congress fired back, calling the Prime Minister the biggest dramebaz. Though Rahul Gandhi stayed silent, Priyanka Gandhi hit out saying raising issues isn't drama.
Right side.
Thank you, brother. No, I'm not talking right now. Thank you.
Speaking about issues, raising issues is not drama. Drama is not allowing discussion. Drama is not having a democratic discussion about issues that matter to the public. We've spoken about pollution. Why are we not raising it? Why are we not allowed to? Today I've asked for 0 hour on it. Why are we not allowed to discuss these things?
As expected, when Parliament convened, ruckus erupted in both houses. In the Lok Sabha, opposition MPs raised vote chori slogans and demanded a discussion on the special intensive revision of electoral rolls. They stormed the well of the House.
प्रश्नकाल के अंदर इन विषयों पर चर्चा नहीं होती, ये प्रश्नकाल है।
Opposition MPs accused the government of rushing the SIR exercise, not giving BLOs enough time and allegedly attempting to suppress voters.
वोट काटने के लिए SIR, ये वोट बढ़ाने के लिए SIR नहीं है। ये जो रिवीजन चल रहा है, ये लोकतंत्र को मजबूत करे, वोट मिले, लेकिन इधर भारतीय जनता पार्टी के दबाव में ये कोशिश हो रही है कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा वोट कटे। ये SIR का काम नहीं हो सकता है।
Make sure that everybody who's eligible is included, and do not include anybody who's not eligible. And any kind of deletion you do it with adequate notice. But why do it in a hurried manner? I think the government must be a little bit more accommodating. Give us space to raise issues of our concern, and I'm sure everything will work smoothly after.
Chaos mirrored in the Rajya Sabha. Leader of opposition Mallikarjun Kharge expressed hope that the new chair would act impartially, even citing Dhankar's exit, calling it unexpected and sudden.
Honorable Chairman, I am constrained to refer to your predecessor's completely unexpected and sudden exit from the office of the Chairman Rajya Sabha, which is unprecedented in the annals of parliamentary history. It is our fond hope, rather we are confident that you will take care of the entire sections of the House.
His remarks drew a sharp response from Parliament Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju.
कांग्रेस पार्टी और आप लोगों ने फॉर्मर वाइस प्रेसिडेंट के खिलाफ जो भाषा का इस्तेमाल किया, जो आप लोगों ने रिमूवल नोटिस में जो शब्दों का इस्तेमाल किया, आप लोग खुद सोचिए कि चेयर का गरिमा को आप लोगों ने कितना तार-तार किया है, और आज आप यहाँ ध्यान देने का काम करते हैं। सॉरी सर, This is a solemn occasion. My appeal is, please don't refer to anything which is not necessary on this solemn occasion.
With day one marked by drama and disruptions, the big question remains, will this winter session see a thaw in government-opposition ties or will it only get hostile? With Aishwarya Paliwal in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.